there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2020 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now this one here does come to you with 34,000 miles on the clock, and it does also come to you with 5 leather seats. The front two are both electric and also heated. This does also come with air conditioning as well as an automatic transmission, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and also low range. Air conditioning as mentioned earlier, hands-free cooling, voice assist and cruise controller on the steering wheel, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay on the main screen there, as well as satellite navigation, radio, Bluetooth, climate control, and a reversing camera and sensors as well. And I will just show you the back 3 seats, also with that nice leather stitching to match that Wildtrak theming. And just below just here, we do of course also have, if there was a little bit more light you'd be able to see, we do have a mains outlet there, as well as a 12 volt. And just to show you the load area in the back, even though this is a crew cab, it is rather large, as you can see. And a cover on top. And if you would like to find out more about this, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. Both are linked in the description below. Or if not, you can always feel free to come over to our site in Pubworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our vehicles, and especially pickup trucks.